This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, we are going to select the right plane. In the right plane, we will draw a two line, and from the two line, we will draw another two offset line, and then we will close that line. For that, here we can see we have a horizontal distance of here. This horizontal distance is 10 unit plus this 10 unit, and then we can see a radius of 20 unit. So our horizontal distance is total 40 unit. Okay, if we sum up all, total 40 unit. Then if we look at the vertical distances here, okay, the vertical distances are 10 unit here, then another 10 unit, then radius 20 unit. So here is also the distance is 40 unit. Okay, so we will draw one horizontal line and another vertical line of 40 unit. Then we will draw offset line. As the height is for 10 units, so we will draw a offset of 10 unit in both side. Then we will cap end. Okay, after capping end, we will extrude boss it, and it has a extrude boss of 40 unit. Okay, then we can see it has fillet around here and here. For filleting, as it is semicircle, so we will use fillet features here to make this semicircle. So I will fillet of radius 20 unit here and here. Okay, then in this top face we will draw a circle, as this circle is located to this semicircle origin. So if we hover our mouse to this semicircle origin or center point, we can draw this circle, and then we'll extrude cut, and this circle has a dimension of 10 diameter. Then in this face we will draw a circle of 10 diameter, but the distance from here to here is 15 unit. Okay, then we'll extrude cut this one. So let's go back to our SolidWorks. So I'm selecting the right plane here. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now I'm going to select the line tool from here and drawing a vertical line. And this vertical line has a dimension of 10 plus 10 unit, then radius of 10 unit. So it is the radius is, so dimension is 10 plus 10 plus radius of 20 unit. Okay, so the dimension is 40 unit. Now we will going to select again line tool from here and draw a horizontal line, and this horizontal line has a dimension of 10 plus 10 unit, then radius of 20 unit. So it also be is 40 unit. Okay, then it's time for offset. As the extrude boss of this shape is 10 units, so we'll going to offset it to 10 unit. So I'm selecting this line. So select chain, capping and line, and select the dimension to 10 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and then extrude boss. As it has a total semicircle diameter of 40 unit, so it will also be extrude bossed to 40 unit. Okay, we are using the mid plane. Now press OK. So we are going to extrude boss it to 40 unit. Now for the semicircle, as we have didn't drawn the semicircle, we will use the fillet tool here. So I'm selecting the fillet tool from here, and the fillet has a dimension of 20 radius. Okay, so I'm selecting 20 radius and selecting this two edge, and also in the upper portion, as they also have the same fillet or radius semi curve, so we're going to select these two edge. Now press OK. So our semicircle portion has been done. Now I am selecting this upper face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. And this time, as the circle, our extrude cut circle is has a distance of 10 unit. So our this distance is 10 unit and another distance is 10 unit. Then we have used the semicircle. So if we hover our mouse here, our previous circle origin is also the same 10 unit distance. Okay. So this circle has a dimension of 10 units. So I'm dimensioning to 10 unit. Now enter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, then extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. So I'm going to extrude cut it to through all. Now press OK. Now what we can do, we see this surface we'll do similarly same things, but here the distance is 15 unit. Okay, So I'm selecting the circle and drawing a circle according to this center line. Okay, and this circle has a dimension of 10 diameter. Now I'm selecting smart dimension tool, and from this circle center point to this line the total distance is 15 units. So we're going to dimension it to 15 units. So we have dimension it to 15 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. Okay, we're going to extrude cutting it to through all. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.